Nigeria at this point is actually on the precipice of greatness. We are already a very great nation, but we are literally on the precipice of greatness. The whole world is looking to Nigeria because of Nigerians that have been able to export our culture and our art and our entertainment to the world stage. There's so much interest in what Nigeria really has to offer. So I think by giving us this ministry, it gives us the opportunity to tap into that space in a way that can completely change the narrative of Nigeria and cultivate our culture and our heritage in a way that will really not only change the narrative of who we are abroad, but it will also affect who we think we are as a people. With this ministry, apart from the potential of bringing great revenue into the nation, revenue that will be able to be put back into the system that will benefit Nigerians in all sphere. I also believe with this ministry, we can also find a way to nurture the unity that we see our forefathers bequeath to us. We all know Awolowo, Sardauna, Nnamdi Azikiwe. They taught us about the unity of what Nigeria is, the diversity, the beauty in our diversity. But I do believe in the last couple of decades, somehow that message has been lost. And one of the things that I want to do with this ministry is to be able to really tap into that. There's a great task ahead of us because I think I will need all hands on deck here in order for us not only to export ourselves to the international stage, but let us rediscover who we are as a nation and let us reunite and find the beauty of what makes this 250 different diverse cultures, what makes us so unique. And we're going to do that by doing all the things that is necessary to be done, by cultivating all the policies that you've already put in place and the action plan, the vision that Mr. President has. This was a vision that he told us about during the campaign. Of course, campaigns are over now. He told us yesterday that we're not representing any region, we are representing the country. So now that action plan, that vision that he has, together with yours, together with policy framework that we're going to put together, I really do believe that we're going to have a very intricate and robust plan of completely taking this ministry into the new stratosphere and making us honestly stand out as a that a lot of people say I do come with a human face. While I do come with a human face, I have completely zero tolerance for incompetence and I have zero tolerance for inability to deliver. So I will expect everyone to be on their game. So we need to really get our hands on deck. And I promise you, if we work together in the interest of Nigeria, in the interest of the vision of Mr. President, this ministry can completely redefine. I would want to invite all Nigerian musicians from all over the world and all different parts of the country to start thinking towards something like that. And then the other programs that we're going to do, whereby at the school level, education level, of course we'll have to partner with other ministries in a way that will let us understand who we are as a people and let us appreciate the beauty of each and every single one.